All right, you can also add some salt and pepper to this, which we might do. Let's just see how it tastes. I'm gonna show you an amazing sauce. It's like a souped up tartar sauce that I created. What you're gonna need, and you can change this up a little bit if you like with pickled items, but I have today some good pickles with some garlic chunks that we're gonna use. It's got some other little stuff in it, like some dill. These are our homemade pickled red onions that we made, organic, on the show. We'll provide you the link if you want to make these as well. And then we're going to use really good herb. We used the cilantro already, so we're going to just finish off the cilantro. You could use parsley if you wish. Mayonnaise, grey poupon, and a little bit of some lime. We're going to add that. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to just chop our little veggies that we have here and get them into the sauce. And the garlic. Grab the garlic out of your pickles and chop those too. Alright, so get your yummy pickled items into your bowl, your sauce bowl. Let's get our herbs in. Okay, there we go. So let's start getting our mayonnaise in and mix this up. Actually, I'm gonna start off with just half a lime so it's not too watery. Mayonnaise. Okay, let me give you guys some measurements on this sauce. It looks like I've got about a cup and a half of mayonnaise. I have 4 pickle spares. I used about half a red pickled onion, and then I used a little bundle of cilantro and half a lime. The last thing to this is some grey poupon. And we're probably gonna add about a tablespoon of grey poupon to this, because we don't want a lot. Even though I love grey poupon. All right, you can also add some salt and pepper to this, which we might do. Let's just see how it tastes. Adding a little more mustard just for Allie, because I'm a giver.
Thank you, I love you.
You're welcome. So we're gonna do another tablespoon just for Allie and all you mustard lovers out there. All right, so the sauce is ready. What I'm going to add to this sauce is a tiny bit of salt and a tiny bit of pepper. We're gonna put about, what is that, half a teaspoon of pepper and a couple pinches of salt, really. And we're calling it on this. And voila. Put a lid on, put it in the refrigerator. I'll see you guys back.
This sauce is so good that you could almost eat it right out of the bowl. But we'll show you how we served it with these amazing gluten-free crab cakes. Watch that.
For you so you guys can see what it looks like. Crunchy, big chunk of lobster, crab. No, actually, it's so good. The sauce is crunchy. It's got all what you're looking for in a tartar, but better. Pickles, crunchy, crab cakes. Try this recipe. Now you can have gluten-free crab cakes. We'll see you guys next time. And remember,
Like and subscribe. And post notifications. Turn them on.
That's so cute. Bye, guys.